Audi likes to say, it doesn't have to be new, it just has to be you. That's what we encourage all of our students to do when they're designing. You don't have to reinvent the table.
We designed a 32-inch round, multi-tiered shelving unit. So it's a little bit out of the ordinary. It is using concepts that we've done a lot in the past, but it's kind of combining them in a way that we've never applied before. Kind of designed based on feeling inspired by not only the space and the function we needed, but also the material that was at our fingertips. So another thing to consider if you have an entire slab that you're working with is how to maximize the material. So I'll show you what I know and I'll show you what I do, and then maybe you can find your own way.
A big part of being a designer is developing your own aesthetic, and our spin on it is unique to us because it involves our hands, our egos, and our particular taste.
Yeah, and don't get too stuck on how you're going to do it, just do it.